How to solve for x and y? Let's solve together. Let's suppose the expression is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. Observe these two equations. Here 2x plus 3y equals 12, 4x minus 3y equals 18, plus 3y minus 3y gone off if we add these two equations. So here 2x plus 4x equals 6x. Positive 3y, negative 3y are gone off. Okay, so we have left 6x equals 12 and 18 equals 30. Six x. By dividing 6 from the both sides, it becomes x equals 5. So the value of x is 5. Now how can we get the value of y? For the value of y, we can substitute x equals 5 in the equation number 1. Then 2x equals 5, so 2 times 5 plus 3y equals 12. 2 times 5 equals 10 plus 3y equals 12. 3y equals, moving 10 from the left side to the right side, it becomes negative 10. So 3y equals 12 minus 10 equals 2. By dividing 3 from the both sides, it becomes y equals 2 divided by 3. This one is the value of y. Okay, so x y equals 5 2/3. This one is the answer. Okay, let's verify these values by substituting in the equation number 1. X equals 5, so 2 times 5 plus 3 times, as y equals 2/3, so 3 times 2 divided by 3 equals 12. 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 and 3 cancel out, we have left 2. This 12 is at the right side, so 10 plus 2 equals 12 equals 12. So left hand side and the right hand side is balanced, so our values of x and y are valid. Like, comment, share and follow for the more videos. Thank you.